You ready?
Yes.
Okay, wait, before we go in. This is the food testing crew. What's it called? The
Impossible slider.
The Impossible Slider. Let's go, everybody.
I'm gonna make the order.
So that happened. One of my favorite creators on YouTube, Casey Neistat, did a taste test reviewing the Impossible Burger, and it was pretty exciting for me, an avid vegan cook. So what is this burger? Impossible Foods is a Silicon Valley startup on a mission to create a super tasty plant-based burger with the precise flavor and mouthfeel of ground beef. I've had it, and as someone who stopped eating meat about 5 years ago, it tastes pretty much exactly as I remember it. Kind of mind-blowing.
We got 10 regular cheeseburgers and then 10 Impossible vegetarian burgers to do a little compare and contrast. Oh, is this the Impossible Burger or the cheeseburger? This is meat.
Wait,
no, this is Impossible.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This is the meat burger.
Right.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks much more like this.
Okay, we're gonna start this test by first sampling the regular beef traditional White Castle slider. It's good.
Familiar, sweet,
Soft and moist.
not too filling.
I will say, there's nothing distinguishingly beefy about this. It doesn't taste like beef or a burger or steak.
Right, it's more like a unit.
Or like a
taking
mush.
a pill in a way.
Like a mushy wet. You finished it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the Impossible real life versus Impossible photo.
It does look better, right?
It looks better.
And it's heavier.
It's heavier. It's denser.
So that's how you know. It smells smoky.
It smells beefier than the beef. Okay, ready? Oh, nice. I like it better.
It's a little...
What's everybody laughing at?
It's not even close to a veggie burger or a tofu burger or anything
No.
like that. It's very, very much a burger.
This tastes like a burger. It tastes like meat.
Substantial.
That was impressive, but how does the nutrition of the Impossible Burger compare to a beef burger? The Impossible Burger has more than 10% fewer calories, almost 50% more protein, no cholesterol at all, and about the same amount of iron.
Hey bro, sorry.
Your neighbors were
I know, it's dodgy in here.
Okay, let me tell you about Dan. He's Casey's sidekick and a commedia dell'arte type of faithful and silly servant kind of character on the vlog. We know he's busting his butt behind the scenes, but on the video, the poor guy's main focus seems to be striving for somewhere to sleep and to find some food to put in his belly.
I got you some apple fritters from 7-Eleven.
Oh no way, thank you man.
What is your house? Right at the house when we were editing. Do you remember opening a pink bag of Hello Kitty marshmallows?
Yes.
She was saving these. So you did open them. And before you opened them, they were completely unopened, right?
Unopened. Did I do something bad?
Those were Francine's special marshmallows for her special trip. And you opened them, Dan. And you opened them.
I feel really bad.
Aw, look at that face. The poor guy's hungry. That's why I was so surprised by this when he was offered the Impossible Burger.
Dan refused to try the fake meat burger. Dan, do you want to try a fake beef?
No way, dude. No way, dude.
Well, that was kind of disappointing. You see, far less land and water is used to produce the Impossible Burger versus a beef burger, and it produces far less greenhouse gas emissions. This is a win for the planet, but it's not going to gain traction if the likes of Dan won't try it.
All right, I'm doing a bit of a thing here. So, like 3 days ago, we did an episode where we went to White Castle and we tried their fake meat burgers called the Impossible Burger. Dan refused to try the fake meat burger. So, tonight I'm going to a different burger restaurant called Umami Burger. I'm gonna tell Dan I'm getting him the best burger in the city to make up for the White Castle burger, but what I'm not telling him is that the burger that I'm getting from Umami Burger is also a fake meat burger. Also called the Impossible Burger. But it's supposed to be like the best one ever. That's what everybody on the internet said. So this is somewhere between a prank and an experiment on Dan Mace. I got them. They were just about to close. My brother.
Ah, thank you, my sir.
This is supposed to be like the best burger you can get.
Thank you, dude. Smells good.
Alright, and give me an honest rating. You wanna make it?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
So. Let me
But
get
then
a look.
it immediately like, oh. But this is like, and then you're like, yeah. Thank you so
You
much.
wouldn't hurt my feelings if you don't like it.
No, I really like it. Did you see my reaction?
Yeah, it was positive, but I can't tell if you're just doing that for the camera because you want to be a positive guy.
The beef is soft. It's tender. It feels like I can understand how they made the patty from the beginning. Okay, I can see the process. I can see them patting it and working it and frying it and whatever.
Okay.
I can really understand that completely the whole way through my palate. I can,
All right, hold on. This is a prank. That is the fake burger. That's the Impossible Burger.
No way.
Yes, they serve it there too.
No, dude, you lying. No, you're lying.
I'll show you the receipt.
You're absolutely lying. You can't put any of that in the vlog, then I look like an idiot.
What?
If this is beef,
That's not beef.
I mean, if this is not beef,
Yeah.
it is so good.